the Indian Nurse YouTube channel. In this episode, I'll be dealing Nursing Foundation subject Unit 8 Health Assessment, and I'll be solving short essays. If you are not subscribed with the channel, please subscribe the channel, and for more nursing educational videos, please press bell icon. Let's start. Discuss the methods of physical examination. First, you have to write the definition. It is the systematic collection of objective information that is directly observed or is elicited through examination technique. So, this is about a physical examination definition. Next, you have to write about the purposes of physical examination. First one, to understand the physical and mental well-being of the clients, to detect disease in its early stage, to determine the cause and the extent of the disease, to understand any changes in the condition of disease, to determine the nature of treatment or nursing care needed for the client, to safeguard the client and his family by noting the early signs, to continue to the medical research to find out whether the person is medically fit or not for a particular task. So, these were the purposes of physical examination. While they were asked for the 5 marks, means here you can write either 4 or 5 purposes. Then main you have to concentrate to techniques of physical examination. The 4 basic techniques used in physical examination are explained as follows. First one is a inspection, second one is a palpation, third one is a percussion, and fourth one is a auscultation. So we'll see one by one, and you have to write a brief explanation also here. So first one is a inspection. It is the systematic visual examination of the client, or it is a process of performing deliberate purposeful observation in a systematic manner. It involves observation of color, shape, size, symmetry, position and movements. It also uses the sense of smell to detect audio and sense of hearing to detect sound. So, general inspection, you have to see overall appearance of health or illness, signs of distress, facial expression and mood, body size, grooming and personal hygiene. So, here in the inspection, only your observation will be there. Second one is a second technique or second method, that is a palpation. It is used of the hands and fingers to gather information through touch. It is the assessment technique which use sense of touch. It is feeling the body or a part with hands to note the size and position of the organs. The hands and fingers are sensitive tools and can assess temperature, turgor, texture, moisture, vibrations, size, position, masses and fluid. The dorsum means back surface of the hand and fingers are used to measure temperature. The palmar means front surface of the fingers and finger pads are used to assess texture, shape, fluid, size, consistency and pulsation. Vibration is palpated best with the palm of the hand. So this much you have to write for the second method, that is a palpation. Third one is a percussion. It is an examination by tapping the fingers on the body to determine the condition of the internal organ by the sounds that are produced. Percussion is an act of striking one object against another to produce sound. The sound waves produced by the striking action over body tissues are known as percussion tones or percussion notes. Percussion is also used to determine if a structure is air filled, fluid filled or solid. The degree to which sound propagates is called resonance. Percussion produces characteristic tones: tympanic, hyperresonant, resonant, dull, and flat. So here hyperinflated lung tissues, that will be a hyperresonant sound. Normal lung tissue will be resonant sound. Liver dull in sound, and bone will be an flat. So this is about a percussion. And the last method or last technique is a auscultation. It is a process of listening to sound that are generated within the body. Auscultation is usually done with the stethoscope. The heart and the blood vessels are auscultated for circulation of blood. The lungs are auscultated for moving air, means breath sound. The abdomen is auscultated for movement of gastrointestinal content, means bowel sounds. The four characteristics of sounds are assessed by auscultations are pitch, loudness, quality, and duration. Pitch means ranging from high to low, loudness ranging from soft to loud, and the quality, that is a gargling, and the duration short, medium, or long. So this much you have to write for the methods of physical examination. So whenever you are starting with the answer, you need to start with the definition.